Mom brain is real. Between wiping faces, answering 57 why questions, and trying to build a business from my living room, I felt like I was losing it until I discovered something magical, an AI assistant. Actually, several of them. Now, I'm Phoebe. I'm a digital mompreneur raising three amazing kids in 2K and building a business using AI. But let's be real. I love my family and I love creating, but some days I felt like I had nothing left. Just a brain full of thoughts and a heart full of dreams and I couldn't act on. So instead of doing everything by myself, I gave some of it to AI. Now, let me just give you an idea of how my day could be. Some days I could wake up very tired, attempted to do a to-do list, and sometimes I forgot what I was doing amid a task. And I did this repeatedly, like most of the time. It wasn't that, it was not like I was lazy, I was just overwhelmed. So I said, what if I could try AI to help me plan, write, design, and edit? What if I had a digital assistant who never complains or sleeps? Now, let me walk you through the 5 AI tools that help me win the battle against mom brain every single day. Without wasting time, the first one which I started learning about was ChatGPT. This was my mental clarity. Now, every morning I open ChatGPT and type, help me plan my day with 3 kids and 2 hours of focus time. And just like that, it gave me a full schedule. School prep, house tasks, business priorities, all broken down. It is like having a calm assistant who actually listens and also does what you. Now, when it comes to ChatGPT, guys, I have to tell you that you don't need necessarily to use ChatGPT, but I love it because of its simplicity and also because it offers a lot and it has a free version that you can start and it's so easy for beginners even if you don't know anything about AI. That's why I really encourage you to actually take your time and go through all the things that ChatGPT offers. Not just the plain blank you are using like write me or this, write me this. ChatGPT has a lot to offer even in terms of strategically planning for your business, strategically planning if you are diving into productivity, into research and analysis. Now, I don't know how to speak the words very well, but there are so many that you can actually learn. It has a lot to do with education, lifestyle, and programming and everything. You just need to do your research and start using ChatGPT the right way and also learn about these things because let me tell you, it's not just about writing and doing this and telling ChatGPT do this. It has a lot, I kid you not. One. Now let's move on to number 2, which is also my favorite, Manus AI, my creative sidekick. Now, when it comes to actually creating content, whether it is a blog post, an ebook, or anything, now I just type in a short idea and it helps me write a full draft fast. It is like having a copywriter that lives inside your home or maybe lives inside your laptop and works on coffee and code. Amazing, right? Now, the way I use Manus AI is not just to create slides and image and videos or audio, anything else, but I give it a prompt that will actually be beneficial for me as a person who creates things or maybe as a mom who creates stuff and sell them on KDP or Amazon KDP. Now, let's use this prompt that I just typed in right now. For instance, I can say something simple as an expert and a successful marketer, create a full complete strategy to sell my AI coloring books on KDP after publishing. Because let's be real, we all want to create something. We normally create something, but we don't know how to actually sell them. So Manus AI will go deep. I'm gonna click here and then you can see it start working, like it's gonna start work and it gives you
a full strategy. And if you're using a desktop, you're gonna see how it is working, how it is thinking, how it is analyzing everything. And after a few minutes, it's gonna actually start doing what? Start giving you a full strategy as an expert on how you're gonna be selling your products. I'm just using AI because that is the topic for today. So if you are selling something, if you have created a digital product, the best thing is to go to Manus and tell it to give you a full strategy on how you want to make sales. Because let's be real, what is the purpose of us making things if we do not know the right tools or maybe the right strategy of selling them? And that's why we need to learn about this AI, to utilize them and to be familiar with them so that they can help us to think, and also not just to think but to give us a full strategy on what tools, on where to go, on how to use them. Tell me if you're liking this content and I'll continue sharing with you. So as you can see, it's gonna take a few times. As you guys see here, Manus is working and it normally takes around 30 minutes. It gives you a full PDF, full strategy on what you have requested. Okay,
Now, let's move on to something else. For instance, tool number 3, which is one of my favorite, and I know most of you know it, which is Canva AI. This one is amazing. You design while kids nap. No more staring at blank canvas. Canva AI helps me make Pinterest pins, product covers, Instagram stories, and other designs to sell online, as well as digital products for my Etsy shop. I write something like make a feminine digital planner cover in a soft pastel, and boom, beautiful templates are ready to twerk. Have you ever used the new features in Canva? Let me know in the comment section. You're gonna love it. Now let's move on to another AI tool that has helped me a lot, which is Dzine AI. This one is so perfect, especially for mockups that sell, for videos and lip sync and everything, and all content for your website. When I want to show off my digital planners or stickers or maybe PODs, Dzine AI gives me the mockups that look professional, and also it's so perfect for your shops, for instance, Etsy, Gumroad, or maybe even on your Pinterest. Just upload your design and choose your scene. It makes your look or maybe the item look more 10 times more polished. And it is not just about actually mockups. It does a lot that you need to actually try. I'm gonna leave all the links that the tools that I'm talking about in the description so that you guys try for your own benefit. Now, let me show you how I use this, or maybe how I quickly example using ChatGPT, how I plan my workday using it. Now, I'm going to actually insert a prompt which is very simple. Okay, something like, hey, I have 2 hours to work today while my kids nap. Can you organize my time between writing Pinterest pins and actually replying to messages? And boom, that's like that. It gives me everything as you are seeing. Now, my dear friends, you don't need to actually hustle harder. You need to dedicate smarter. AI isn't here to replace your brain. It is here to give you, or maybe to give it a break. You can raise babies and build a business. You can dream big even with a little chaos in the background. You just need a digital bestie or maybe bestie to handle the mental load. Tell me in the comment section, are you using some of these AI tools? Now guys, I know you might be wondering, am I using AI even right now? Yes, I'm doing that just to clone myself, but in real sense, this is my voice, these are my words, my actions, my content, and I just wanted to use it so that we can actually utilize AI tools to do things faster, to automate and everything. If you want a full tutorial how I clone myself, let me know in the comment section and I'll be so glad to do that. Now, tell me, are you using some of these tools? I created a free AI-powered planner just for moms like us. It includes my favorite ChatGPT prompts, a weekly planner, and a prompt or maybe a step-by-step productivity guide using the tools I just shared and more. You're gonna download it below in my description when it is available, and don't forget to actually subscribe, share to any mama you need or maybe who needs to do things faster and the smartest way. Now, as I wind up my video today, I want to tell you that in my next video, I'm going to be showing you 5 AI side hustles you can start this weekend, even with screaming kids in the background or wherever you are, whatever you are doing. Don't be left out and try these AI tools. Stay tuned for that video because it's going to be coming very soon on this channel. I hope you have enjoyed this one. Do me one favor, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and until next time, bye bye.